here. I'm a design team member for Stamp Anything. Welcome to February's release preview day 2. If you missed it, yesterday's video, I introduced the first chibi character, the die, the stencil, the word die, etc. All of that was in yesterday's video. In today's video, I'm going to share with you our second chibi, who is Jet. This illustration is so flippin' cool. I love what Anne has done with her hair and her outfit. I absolutely love it. So within this video, I'm going to introduce you to the chibi, and I'm also going to share with you the design team samples. If you haven't already, I hope you'll consider subscribing. Be sure to check out the Facebook group to see more products, projects, etc. And these products are available and will be linked down below. So yeah, let's head over to the craft table and I'll share with you Jet. All right, friends, it is day 2 and today we have Jet, You Make My Heart Sing. Isn't she so much fun? She's wearing a cute little top and a skirt. She's got on her boots and she's got a fun little microphone. And I love the way her hair is cut. Have a rockin' birthday and then You Make My Heart Sing. And then of course we have her outline die. And as I mentioned in last month's video, this was a manufacturing misunderstanding. So going forward, we will go back to our regular outline dies. And then again, this is our new packaging. How much fun is this? And if you missed it, this is how I store mine. So if she didn't have a second die with her, I would just store it inside the pocket. But since it has a second die and I don't want to lose it, I have it on the front and back. And these are just CD, DVD pockets that you can pick up off Amazon. So that is it for day 2. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing. Be sure to check out the Facebook group and the link to these products linked in the description box down below. Don't forget, you can pick all of these up using, if you join a stamp club that is open for US, Canada, and international as well. 3 different levels for you, and you can check all of that out over on the website. So that's it for today, friends. I will see you tomorrow for day 3. Bye for now.